Now for this spicy peanut butter balls snack, you will need 150 grams of peanut butter. It can be salted or unsalted. What I have here is a salted peanut butter. You can use unsalted and then add salt later. You will need 150 grams of cornmeal. So this is a pre-cooked cornmeal that I got from the grocery store. You will need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Brown, white works perfect. A teaspoon of red chili pepper. You can also use a tablespoon of cayenne pepper if that's what you have on hand. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, which is optional. A teaspoon of ground cloves. What is great about this recipe is that you can tweak the spiciness or the sweetness to your taste. Let's get started. In a baking tray, roast your cornmeal for about 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or about 355 degrees Fahrenheit. See you in 30 minutes. Blend all your spices, including the sugar, to make it really smooth and really mix well. It's been 30 minutes and the cornmeal is ready. You know, I didn't tell you the reason why you toast or you put the cornmeal in the oven. You should have been here. It brings all the flavors out and it smells really good. So while this is still hot, we are going to add our blended spices, you know, so that all the oils will come out. When everything is mixed together, pour it into your peanut butter and mix. Now after mixing, if this is too dry, you add some peanut oil. So this is just the peanut oil that was on top of the peanut butter, just like that. And you're also going to need some to mold it into balls. Now that we've gotten the consistency that we want, let's mold this into the sizes we want. With the help of some peanut oil, we are going to roll this base. And that's it. It's gluten-free, it's spicy, it's sweet, it's delicious. This is perfect for the gym. It's perfect as a snack for work, you know, and it keeps you going. One thing I've realized about this also is that because of the spice, like for this measurement of ingredients that I used, it's really mild. But if it's really spicy, it gets you drinking a lot of water. And so this is actually a very popular snack from where I come from. So I come from Ghana in West Africa, and this is a very popular snack from the Volta region of Ghana. We call them the airways. I believe I'm right. Please forgive me if I'm not, but you should give it a try. It's really healthy and it's good for you. It's a perfect snack. So this, in my local language, it's called, you know, it has a lot of names. Growing up, I knew it was called nkatibolo. So nkatia is like peanut or groundnut, right? The bolo part, man, I don't know. And I know some people call it Adaakwa. Some people also call it Dzowoe. I don't know. I'm just here measuring names. Lord have mercy. Yeah, but that I know for sure it's called nkatibolo from where I grew up, and where I went to university, it's called Adaakwa or Adaakwa or something like that. Yeah. So these gorgeous snacks are done, and you can store this in an airtight container or you can just keep it in the fridge and it can last between 3 to 6 months. Yeah, I'm not making a mistake. That is right. Actually, this used to be war food. So the women will make it for their husbands when they were going to war, and it can last for a year. Okay, so be sure to give this a try, and like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, show some love, and let's be friends. See you next time.